Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying this tooth game. As you see, we got it all set up right here. Then after that, we just gonna, oh yeah, you thought I forgot. Subscribe and hit the subscribe and hit the like button and follow and go to my subscription so you can join my other video. Now let's get right into the video. Princeton, and today you see what these are. Reese ice cream banana cups, and today we are gonna try them. First, you have to subscribe and hit that like button. And after you hit that like button, go down below and hit the script so you can join all my videos. Okay, now let's just get into the video. Let's try one. Oh. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so we can delete one part.
I give it a 10 out of 10. It's pretty good.
What's your favorite part about it?
My favorite part about it is the chocolate in the bun. In the frozen banana.
Put it in the camera so we can see. Put it in the camera so they can see what it looks like on the inside.
That what it look like. And guess what? We got a special guest. You know who it is? Kia, you ready?
We'll take one part next. We'll take one part with CJ come back. You want to see what you did? Okay. Are they really good?
Yeah, they actually. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying this tooth game. As you see, we got it all set up right here. Then after that, we just gonna, oh yeah, you thought I forgot. Subscribe and hit the subscribe and hit the like button and follow and go to my subscription so you can join my other video. Now let's get right into the video.
Oh, say it again.
This is my little brother. He's gonna help, and he's putting the toothbrush in his mouth.
Say hi.
Okay. Okay, CJ, I need the thing. CJ.
I just found something else.
Huh?
I'll get it in a second. Found something else.
Okay. He got the toothbrush too. I'm gonna need that back. Well, now I gotta give him more tubes. No? Oh my God, Kia, it actually worked. This one was fellow plaques.
Wow.
Oh my God, this is so cool. Hold on. You see, we got one plaque out. Okay, now let's do it into a little tube. My customer have all cavities, and I gotta get them out, so I gotta try to get these out. Okay, let's do it. Oh no. Okay, now I'm gonna do the toothpaste.
There you go.
Use this. Okay. And oh yeah, I forgot about y'all. Hey guys, I'm almost done with my thing. Don't worry. And after that, I'm gonna do it. And after that, I'm gonna play with it. Okay guys, I think this is the end of the video. So maybe I will do it again sometimes. Okay. Bye bye. Did y'all subscribe? Okay. Bye bye.